Good afternoon, everybody. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I've got a little update on the VW Golf sport wagon. It's been sitting for 5 months, parked outside in the weather and the elements, and it has not been started, driven, nothing. Just been sitting still. Anyway, I go to pick it up today, and the push button start has quit working. You have to hit it several times. I don't know if the hammer I used on it earlier today helped, but you literally have to just take your finger and just go tap, 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 tap. And then this happened. I used my cruise control on the way home, and now when I turn it on, I've got this exclamation point, and it gives me a warning here in a second. It probably will wait until I stop. That says ACC not available, in front collision assist or whatever is not available. But I guess you could probably see a little vibration. See the little exclamation point down there? That little... Okay, now I've turned it off. Turn it back on. Well, it's not giving me the warning, but the exclamation point is still there. So those two things concern me, but what probably concerns me more than anything is my driver's floorboard is soaking wet. I did not leave any windows open. The sunroof was closed. Everything was secure and tight and got water in the floorboard. So who knows? Maybe the moisture has decided to short everything out. Anyway, if anybody has any ideas, please comment below. Like, subscribe, and share. Appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye. That's the warning. And it's gone. It's also telling me my backup camera, not my backup camera, my rear cross traffic alert is disabled as well. Okay, so my wife is going to demonstrate. This is how the heck we start this thing. Nothing yet. Come on, Mom, faster.
Switch fingers.
There it goes. And it's going to say whatever's not available, and well, didn't say it that time. Let me try and turn it on. Well, I'll be damned.
Oh, I fixed it.
Well, that self-corrected itself. Nice. Oh, jeez. Who knows? It's probably got water damage, and who knows what else is wrong. Okay, Mom, try and turn it off. Anybody let me know if you think my there it goes. Button start is bad. I mean, if you think that might be what it is. Peace. Okay. One more time. I got it started so I could pull it in the garage. And now I've got ABS problems, traction control problems, airbag problems. And I guess all my tires are flat. Okay. I'm going to go get some gas and just torch this thing.